To stop WhatsApp from automatically saving photos to gallery on your phone, there are basically two ways to fix this annoying issue. For the first method, you want to open up the WhatsApp application and then on the top right, tap on this three dot icon, then tap on settings. Now go over to chats and then make sure that device visibility is turned off. If yours is turned on, make sure you turn it off, and this should fix the issue on your phone. But if it does not work out for you, you can come out of this, go over to storage and data, and then scroll down a little bit. Now here that we have the media auto download, you want to go ahead and select the three options we have over here, that is when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, and when roaming. Tap on each of the three options and make sure that no media option is checked over here. So if you have your photos checked or your audios checked, you want to make sure you uncheck them. Tap on OK. Now do the same thing for when connected on Wi-Fi, and then also make sure that all is not checked, and then also do the same thing for when roaming as well. And trust me, after doing all of this, you would have fixed the issue of WhatsApp automatically saving photos to gallery on your phone. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.